Dear friend, very warm good morning all of you. In this video I am taking 3 exercise 7.6, 7.7, 7.8 because all these 3 exercises is given here divide. So 7.6 find the quotient. That will be first question 7 decimal 4 8 8 divided by 24. So similarly you will be divide that one 24 7 decimal 4 8 8. So that this will become 7 is not possible, so that is 0, and then we will take another digit, so 3 ja 72. Now we will ignore the decimal and then 2 is left, 4 ja, and then 4, and then next digit 8, 2 ja 48, and then 0. So quotient is decimal 1 3 1 2, that is a quotient. And then by 12, second question 6 1 decimal 9 2 divided by 12. So that 12 6 1 decimal 9 2, 12 5 ja 60, and then 1 decimal is started, so we will put the decimal 9, 12 1 ja 12, then 7 is left, next digit that is 2, so 7 12 6 ja 72, that will be 5 decimal 16, that is a quotient. And then third part you can do, you know everyone, the fourth part also, because 11th table is given here, that is fifth part, that fifth question 3 decimal 042 divided by 13. So 13 3 decimal 042, so 0 because before digit that is a 3 we can't divide, we will take this one, so 2 ja 26, and then 4 is left, next digit is 4, and then 13 3 ja 39, and then left 13 4 ja 52, and then left. So this is the quotient, right? And then 8th table you know very well, 23, it means 7th question, that 78 decimal 8 9 divided by 23. So 23 divides 78 point, so that will be come how many time? 3 time, so that is a 969, so that 9 is left, then decimal started, decimal now 8, so 23, that will be 4 ja 4 ja, it means 23 4 ja 23, subtraction I think is right, 80 less 9 9 98, so 4 3 12, 4 2 ja 8, 192, that will become, yes, and then left is 6 9 by another digit 3 time 69, that is a quotient. And then other part also you can do, but 8th part we will see here, because the table of 18 is given there. If you are not able to read the table, then you can write the table in the rough place. 8th question, that 7 5 8 decimal 16 divided by 18. If you are not able to read the table of this one, then you can write the table here. Like this you can write the table in the side. and then similarly 18 divides 758 decimal 16, and then 4 ja 72, that will be 38, 2 ja 36, then left 2, then decimal is started, 1 ja 18, and then left 3, and then another digit 6, 18, 2 ja 36, right? And then now next exercise 7.7, that first question is true false, so you can do the true false, that is for like this, first is false, then second is also false, third is true, fourth is that will be false, fifth will be true, false, true, false, false, and then true, and then fill up also you can do very easily. Okay, and then third question of exercise 7.7, that third question, find the quotient. First part is 28 decimal 23 divided by 30. So how we will do that one? We will write only that 3. We will not write it this one 0, and then 2 decimal 823, and this one decimal you will be placed here because we have leave the 1 0. So 0 decimal 3 9 ja 27, and then left is 1, next digit is 2, 3 4 ja 12, and then nothing is left, and then 3 3 1 ja 3. So quotient is 0.941. And then third part 28 decimal 48, 28 decimal 48 divided by 200, so that will be divided by 2, that we have leave the 2 zeros, so this decimal will come here before 2 digit, so that will be 0.2848 by 2, 2 1 ja 2, just put 0 decimal, and then subtract, that is a left nothing, 2 4 ja 2 1 ja 2 4 ja 8, and then nothing is left, that is 4, 2 2 ja 4, nothing is left, that again 8, 4 ja 8, nothing is left. This is the quotient. And then by 30 you can do by 80. Fifth part, that is 8 decimal 08 divided by 80. So again we will write 8 and then 0.808. We have leave 1 0, so this decimal will come here. So 0.8 1 ja 8, and then nothing is left, so that is 0, nothing is left, 0, so 8 0 ja 0, nothing is left, and then 8 1 ja 8, nothing is left. That is quotient, right? And other part you can do very easily, no problem will be there. Now the exercise 7.8. Here will become just complicate. Find the quotient. Question number 1, first part. 5 decimal 2 divided by 1 decimal 25. So there is just problem. So what we will do here, that will be, first of all we will write like decimal. So after decimal 2 digit here, so we will write here 2 digit also after decimal. That's a 2 digit. Now that decimal will be cancelled by decimal. So 1 2 5 5 2 0. So that will be, how many time will we go? That will be in decimal also 125 5 ja 4 ja, that will become 4 ja 500, and then left is 2. That means we will put the 0 for, we will put here 0 by decimal. So 1 ja 125, and then 125, no 75 is left, 75 is left, then 0, and then how many times? 6 times. 6 times, that will be go, that will be 750. That nothing is left. If you are not able to read the table of 125, then you can write the table of 125 like this here, 250 and then 375. So similarly you will be write by addition or by multiplication also. Two method is here, by addition or by multiplication. And then second part 40.713 divided by 3.31. Now you are looking after decimal, here is 3 digit, here 2 digit, so there is no problem. So that will be 3314071 decimal 3. This one decimal also will be go here, if this one will be go here. So that will become one time. So that will be 331 by subtraction, that is a 6, and then 10 less 3 7, and then next digit will put 1, next digit will become 1, that will be go how many time? 2 time. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 3 ja 6, and then subtraction 11 less 2, 11 less 2 9, and then 15 less 6, 15 less 6, that will be 9. Now decimal, that next digit 3, so that will be go 3 time. See that 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9. By subtraction nothing is left. This is the quotient, this one also is a quotient. And then see that another more part, that one 32 table you can write fifth part, that is 25 decimal 925 divided by 0 decimal 425. After decimal 3 digit is here, no problem will be here. We will leave the decimal 42525 and then how many times that will be go? First time, that will be 6 time. 6 times, 6 5 ja 30, and then 3 carry 6 to 12, 5, and then 6 4 ja 24 and 1 25, and then by subtraction that will be 2, 9 less 5 4, and then 5 one time 425. Nothing is left. And then part number 6 also, see that 581 is given, 8 4 decimal 826 divided by that 58 decimal 1. So that will be 581, that 848 decimal 26. We have replaced this decimal after one digit, so this will be also after one digit. That will be go, first time is go that one time. So 581 and then 7 and then 14 less 8, 6, 7 less 5, 2, and then after decimal 2 digit, 2. So that will be go that time 4 time. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 8 ja 32, 4 are 20 and 3 23. By subtraction that will be 12 less 4, 8, 6 less 2, 4, 6 less 3, 3, another digit 6 by 6, 6 1 ja 6, 6 8 ja 48, 6 5 ja 30 and 4 34, like this. And then next question, then find the quotient. This is also similar question. This is also similar type of question. So no problem will be also here. Find the quotient, that 2. First part is 9009 divided by 0 decimal 1 3. So first of all, that means we will use 13 only. 9009 after decimal 1 2 digit is here, so we will put the 2 zeros here, right? 2 zeros here. So that will be by 13, that will be 6 time. 78, that will be 12 is left, then 0, and now that will be go at that 9 time. 13 9 ja 117, and then that left is 3, 13 3 ja 39, and then left is 0 and 2 0 is left also, so we will put here 2 0 similarly. And then second part, 120 divided by 0 decimal 1 2. So again we will write 12, and then 120 after decimal 2 digits, so we will put here 2 0. So 12 1 ja 12, that's a 3 zeros are left, so we will put here 3 0. And then third part, 672 divided by 0 decimal 25, 0 decimal 0.025 is there. So we will multiply, divide by 25. 672 after decimal we are looking 1 2 3 0, 3 digits, so we will put the 3 0. So how many time go first time? That will be 2 time. That 25 2 ja 50, and then left is 7 1 and then 2, that will be go 6 time, that will be go 150, and then 2 is left, another digit is 0, so that will be 8 time, 8 time will go, and then 8 time will go 200, and then left is 0 to another digit, 8 time, again 200, that left 1 0 is left, so we will put here similarly. These are the quotient. Okay.